Okay, children. Let us prepare two tables. Okay. Now, do you know what are these? Seeds, kada? Okay. Now, with this we prepare two tables. Okay. How many are these? So two ones, two ones, two ones, two. So next to two ones, next to two ones, two twos, two twos, two, three, four, two twos, four. Next, add one more to these, four, five, six. Two threes, six. So six, two, three, six. Add one more twos. Four, three twos, two twos, one twos, four twos. Now add six, seven, eight. Two fours, eight. Now add more one two. Eight, nine, 10. Two fives are 10. Two fives are 10. Add one more two. Five twos, six twos. 10, 11, 12. Two sixes are 12. Next add one more two. Six twos, one two, seven twos. Count 12, 13, 14. Two sevens are 14. Next add one more two. Seven twos are in my left hand. One two are in my right hand. Now add one two to seven twos. 14, 15, 16. Two eights are 16. Next add one more two. Eight twos. One two. Nine twos. 16, 17, 18. Two nines are 18. Listen there. Two nines are 18. Next add one more two. 9 twos, 1 2. 10 twos. Add 18, 19, 20. Two tens are 20. Now say all of you. Two ones is 2. Two twos are 4. Two threes are 6. Two fours are 8. Two fives are 10. Two sixes are 12. Two sevens are 14. Two eights are 16. Two nines are 18. Two tens are 20. Easy way? And you can observe. You can make two tables with geoboard also. Do you know what is this? Geoboard. Yes, you all know very well. This is geoboard. So count two. Take two. Two screws. Two screws. Now count how many twos? Two ones. Two ones. Two. Next add one more two. Two twos. Two, three, four. Two twos are 4. Next add one more two. Add one more two. 4, 5, 6. Three twos are 6. Now add one more twos. 8, 6, 7, 8. Two fours, 8. Next add one more two. 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 twos are 10. Next add one more 2. One more 2. 6, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 2 sixes, 12. Okay, we take another rubber band. Here. Okay. 2 sixes are 12. And sevens. చూడండి 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 2 sevens are 14. 16 2 sixes are 16 plus 2 16. 2 sixes are 12. 12 13 14. Add one more 2. How many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 twos. Here up to here 14. 14 15 16. 2 8s are 16. Next add one more 2. 16 17 18. 2 8s 2 9s are 18. Next add one more 2. 18 19 20. So 2 10s are 20. So this way also we can prepare 2 table. So we can prepare 2 table with geoboard and as well as seeds with beads and also sticks also. You can make sticks also. Every time take 2 sticks. Every time takes 2 sticks. 2 ones 2. Add 2 sticks. 2 sticks. 2 2s 4. So this way we can prepare up to 2 10s 20. Have you gotten this?
Gotten, sir.
Is it easy way?
Easy, sir.
Very good, children. Now read all of you. 2 ones 2. 2 twos are 4.
2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 6 are 12. 2 7s are 14. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. 2 10s are 20.
So this way you can prepare remaining 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 tables. Okay. Now who can prepare 3 table? Every time take 3 seeds. Who can prepare 3 table? 3 table evaru prepare chestaru? Come. Every time take 3. Okay. ప్రతిసారి నువ్వు 3 తీసుకోవాలి. 3. One time 3. Say. How many in it? 3. Okay. 3 ones 3. Take another 3. How much? How many? Count. 8. Manohar. 6. 3 times 2 are 6. So 6. These are all 6. So don't count repeatedly. Okay? Take 3. 3. Oh, wait. 3 times 3. Now count 6. Already 6 counted. 6. Add 7, 8, 9. Okay. 3 3s are 9. Hey, Karthik, listen. Now take another 3. 4 times 3 gana? 3 4s. 3 4s. Add. 9, 10, 11. You say this. 9. You count after 9. After 9. 10. 10, 11, 12. 3 4s are 12. Take 3. Add 5s. 3 5s. Add 13. 15. Next, let's take another 3. 18. 3 6s are 18. Next. 3 7s are 21. Next. 3 8s are 24. Next. Count.
27.
27. 3 times 9.
27.
Next. 3 10s are 30. This way we can prepare easily. Okay, with the help of using of seeds. Read. 3 1 6 3.